Rat pee in the supply chain, and nobody is protecting you. We're not going to sugarcoat this, y'all. Rat pee and bird shit. That's what's in the U.S. That's what the U.S. Food and Drug Administration was found in areas where medicine, food, supplements, cosmetics, and medical products were being stored and distributed by Gold Star Distribution Incorporated. Let's let that sink in for a second. This isn't a rumor. This isn't social media exaggeration. This is straight from a federal recall notice. Rat urine, rodent droppings, bird feces, and products that people are putting in their bodies. And I'm going to say what a lot of folks are thinking, but not saying out loud. This makes absolutely no goddamn sense. We're being told in real time that after years of rolling back protections, cutting oversights, loosening regulations, and streamlining enforcement, we now have to worry about our medicine being contaminated with rat pee. This is not normal. This is not acceptable. And this is absolutely not the cost of doing business. This is what happens when public safety gets treated like an inconvenience. And before anyone tries to downplay it, no, the recall doesn't mean one bad box. The FDA made it very clear. Entire categories of products are affected because contamination in storage environments can spread even when packaging looks sealed and untouched.